Don't let inefficient rigs slow you down.
Meet the ET300 for hydraulic coal drilling rig, built to drill faster, smarter, and deeper.
Powered by thin wall wireline coring technology, the DET300 doubles your drilling speed. Compatible with SPT Hammer and equipped with real-time data acquisition, it keeps drilling operations on the smartwatch and alerts you to any anomalies, helping you make better decisions and improve your drilling plans. All-in-one and lightweight, it tackles any terrain with ease, perfect for mineral exploration, hydrogeological drilling, and geological surveys.
We provide a complete range of coal drilling rigs from 300 to 1,500 meters. Interested? Contact us right now.